Jose, welcome back to another vlog. Well, actually the first vlog now, come to think of it. I'm heading over to N1 City now, to McDonald's, get some breakfast and everything, and then we're meeting up with the crew actually, well, some of the members, just to talk about admin stuff and get the crew, and then there we'll go to the underground parking lot. I'll shoot some cinematic stuff, and yeah, that's what to expect. So, having problems with my battery at the moment, battery's still dying. Car's very low, scraping a lot, but further than that, there's no real problems. So I'll check you guys over there. So I'm at N1 City now, just waiting for the other Oaks to arrive. I'm actually quite early. I didn't know I was going to drive that fast. Well, did the speed limit, but I mean, still came about 20 minutes early. So I went inside, got my McDonald's, now I'm just waiting. There's a cute seagull walking towards me. Okay, so we moved to the underground parking lot now. As you can see, all the cars behind me. Then all the way to there. Just gonna do some filming now, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. Okay, so I'm back home. As you can see, the day actually didn't went that successful. I thought it was great, going good so far, everything. And then on my way back home, I don't know what happened, but the car back to its issues again and broke down. So then I got a tow from my dad. I'm back home now, the car's back home now, but yeah, it's not working really. So it sounded like it's the same problem, coil, timing, carb, I don't know what it is, but it's doing the same thing. So what you're thinking is I'm just going to strip everything in the back, check the wires because the battery is also running dead. So just check if there's any faulty wires in the car that may resolve into a coil that's damaged, or that's putting too much power out or in or whatever. But there's also a problem where the coil gets extremely hot, and it's not good for the coil to get that hot. So yeah, I'm gonna have to check that one sometime. But further than that, the day went successful. Hope you guys liked the video. It was a very short video, I think. And yeah, I'll try my best to do better with cinematics next time when I have more time. But yeah, thanks for sticking around, and please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more.